Thought I would do a little review of the AMT 66 Chevy Nova Pro Street that I currently bought. The body seems to be in pretty good condition. There's not a whole lot of flash on it. Looks pretty nice. Just your normal mold lines and cleanup. The pan, it seems to have a lot of flash. But it'll clean up okay. From what I'm reading online, a lot of guys are using this chassis, at least part of this chassis, for other builds as well. So that's something to keep in mind. Comes with a big bag of blue parts, this Smurf blue. And a lot of these parts, now the flash looks pretty good. Not a whole lot of cleanup, just your normal flash on this section. The chrome parts look pretty good. Not a whole lot of flash. Nice looking wheelie bars there. That all looks pretty good. The tires that come in the kit, nice set of slicks for the back. I really like those. Here's the glass. I checked it out. I don't take these out of the bag until I'm ready to install them, clean them, install them, but I don't see any scratches or anything, so they look pretty good. I'm thinking of going with I paint everything with acrylic paint, so I'm thinking of doing this one in a Bridgeport gray. This is Ceramcoat acrylic. I might go with this, might add a little bit of black to it, just not sure yet. But this ought to be a fun little kit. Right now I'm just in the process of checking everything out, seeing what I need to do and the color for everything. So it ought to be a nice one.